My journey into the microbiome began with a health scare: type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol. Determined to change, I dove into the science and discovered the power of gut health. My microbiome analysis showed a depleted community, likely from too many processed foods. I overhauled my diet: less sugar and refined carbs, more vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. I added fermented foods like kimchi and kefir, and my gut slowly adapted. The results were dramatic. I lost weight, reversed my diabetes, and my gut bacteria flourished. Blood tests confirmed my transformation. This experience convinced me of the profound impact of nurturing our inner ecosystem. The microbiome diet isn't a strict plan, but a set of principles to nourish a healthy gut. The goal: encourage good bacteria, discourage the bad. It starts by cutting back on processed food sugar, and refined carbs. Think of it as weeding your inner garden. Next, focus on prebiotic foods like leeks, onions, garlic, and asparagus, fibers your microbes love. Add probiotic foods: live yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha, which introduce helpful bacteria. The more plant-based variety you eat, the more diverse your gut becomes, a key sign of health. Diversity on your plate means diversity in your gut. That's the foundation of a microbiome-friendly diet. Science confirms our gut microbes are crucial to our well-being. These tiny organisms play a significant role in digestion and nutrient absorption. They help break down plant fibers and produce essential vitamins like K and B. Beware of exaggerated claims promising miraculous transformations. Gut health is a journey, not a destination. Gut health can influence conditions like Crohn's disease and mental health, impacting their severity and management. It's not a magic bullet. A balanced approach is key. A balanced microbiome supports our immune system. It trains it to respond appropriately to threats. When the balance is disrupted, the gut can become leaky, leading to systemic inflammation linked to chronic diseases. Be wary of sensational headlines about superfoods. They are often misleading. Sustainable gut health comes from nourishing your microbiome with plant fibers from fruits and vegetables, and fermented foods like kimchi and yogurt. There's no quick fix. It requires consistent, diverse eating habits. A thriving microbiome is built on long-term healthy lifestyle habits and sustainable eating patterns. Gut bacteria influence far more than digestion. They affect our mood, weight, and inflammation. The gut-brain axis links our gut to our brain. Microbes even produce neurotransmitters like serotonin. Studies show an imbalanced microbiome is tied to anxiety and depression, while improving gut health can boost mood. Gut microbes also impact metabolism, appetite, and fat storage. Lean people tend to have more diverse gut bacteria. Feeding your gut with fiber produces anti-inflammatory compounds, protecting against chronic diseases. Nurturing your gut is a powerful way to support your whole body. You don't need a drastic overhaul to see real improvements in your gut health. Small, steady changes, consistently applied, make a big difference over time. Think of it as a journey, not a race. Eat a wide variety of plants. Aim for 30 different types a week if you can. Consider all the fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains available. Each plant feeds different bacteria in your gut, so mix it up and provide a diverse range of fuel for your microbiome. Add fermented foods like yogurt, which are packed with probiotics. Kefir is another excellent source of beneficial bacteria. Kimchi is a delicious way to introduce fermented vegetables into your diet, or sauerkraut for a direct boost of good microbes. These fermented foods help to replenish and diversify your gut flora. When choosing fermented products, always choose products with live cultures and skip pasteurized versions. Swap sugary drinks for water, herbal tea, or kombucha. These healthier alternatives also support a balanced gut environment. Include prebiotic-rich foods like onions, which act as fuel for the good bacteria in your gut, and whole grains, which provide fiber that feeds your gut microbes and promotes healthy digestion. Manage stress through activities like yoga or meditation. Exercise regularly to promote overall well-being, and get enough sleep. Remember, a healthy lifestyle and a healthy gut go hand in hand, creating a positive feedback loop for your overall health. We're at the dawn of a new era. Microbiome health is reshaping nutrition and medicine. Diet rapidly changes our gut bacteria, and a diverse microbiome is linked to better health. But there's still much to learn, especially about personalized nutrition. In the future, we may get tailored advice based on our unique gut microbes. For now, the basics are clear. Eat a variety of whole, plant-based foods, add fermented foods, and cut back on processed junk. Manage stress, exercise, and sleep well. These all matter. By feeding our gut microbes, we feed our own health. This simple shift could change the future of food and medicine.